My name is Ella Gibbs. I'm on the Level 3 Production Apprenticeship with the BBC Sport Department. I'm from Chester originally, but my whole family's from Wales. I have been at Aberystwyth University just before this apprenticeship, where I ran a script writing society and co-ran the student newspaper as the head of sport. My general hobbies and interests are sort of screenwriting, but also I race downhill mountain bikes, play rugby, used to compete in triathlon, so a long list of sports. And then I also had a part-time job while I was at university in the waste industry. So since I was about 15, I've known that I wanted to be involved in just TV. That started off as screenwriting, but as it's gone on, I sort of want to be a producer / director. So I'd like to do anything really in that sort of vicinity. I've settled in quite well. I feel like I'm still sort of getting to know my colleagues who I'm working with. My line manager's been off on holiday, and my buddy, so I've just sort of had to kind of insert myself a bit. But it's been really good. I've already been on an OB shoot. I've sat in some Scrum 5 edits and shadowed that, and it's been really interesting. I've also been taught how to use Avid, the editing software for sub-clipping. So yeah, I've already learned quite a lot. It's only been 2 weeks, so yeah, it's good. I suppose I just sort of like to absorb and do as much as sort of humanly possible really, and then hope that puts me in a good spot to follow the path of production. So whether that's I don't know, trainee AP or something by the end, that would be really good. I definitely think so. My area of interest is specifically in comedy, so I like to write comedy sitcoms. So obviously the more people I meet, eccentric athletes or I don't know, stuck-up producers, just an eclectic range of people you will meet, and that comes from sports interviews and all sorts, so I definitely think they're transferable in terms of using that to influence your writing, but also any kind of production skills, any kind of editing software is going to be transferable from whether you're producing a live TV show or a pre-recorded TV show to a TV comedy or drama. Either way, I think, yeah, transferable definitely. I'm definitely looking forward to starting my journey with Skill Cymru. I've actually always sort of wanted to do a bit of a sort of media A-level or degree or something, but never really had the opportunity, so it's quite exciting, I suppose, to be able to be given the opportunity to do that finally, but also be able to do that alongside earning a living and being in such an exciting company as well at the same time. So yeah,